Hello students, let's discuss the question. Here we are given that let R be the relation in the set. Set is given which is 1, 2, 3, 4 given by the R is equals to set of element which is 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2. We have to choose the correct option. So here we are given the 4 options and according to this set and relation we have to select which option is correct. So here let's say our set is A which is given to us which is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and our relation is given which is R is equals to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. So this is the relation which we are given here. So basically options are given that R is reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. Second is given that R is reflexive, transitive but not symmetric. Third is given that R is symmetric and transitive but not reflexive. And fourth is given that R is an equivalence relation, which means R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So let's check them one by one. So firstly we are checking whether the relation is reflexive or not. The condition for the reflexivity is that if A, belongs to R, then we can say that the relation is reflexive. So here if you can look at the set A is given which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say that R comma, or we can say that A must belongs to R, where for every A belongs to the set which is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basically if all the elements which are there in the set, that is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4, 4 is in the set, so or is in the relation, so we can say that this is a reflexive relation and all these sets are there in the relation, so we can say that this belongs to R. Hence we can say that A belongs to R and A belongs to R. So relation is a reflexive relation. Now we are going to check whether the relation is symmetric or not. So we are going to check whether the relation is symmetric or not. The condition for the symmetry is that if A1, A2 belongs to R, then A2, A1 must belongs to R, subjected that A1 and A2 belongs to the set which is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if you look here, A1 and A2 from this set must be the elements which are 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1 types of set. If you look at the relation, look here, this is our relation. 1 and 2 is there in the set, but 2 and 1 is not there in the set. So 1 and 2 is there is the set and 2 and 1 is not there in the set. So we can say that this does not belongs to R. So the condition for the symmetric is not satisfied. So we can say that this relation is not symmetric. So this is not a symmetric relation. Now we are going to check whether this is a transitive relation or not. We have to check whether this is a transitive relation or not. So the condition for the transitivity is that if AB or A1, A2 belongs to R, then A2, A3, sorry, if A1, A2 belongs to R, A2, A3 belongs to R, then the condition is that A1 and A3 must belongs to A1 and A3 must belongs to R. So here if we can look here, look, 1 and 3 belongs to R. 1 and 3 is there in the set, so 1 and 3 belongs to R. 2 and 3 and 2 is also belongs to R. Then 1 and 2 is also belongs to R. So this condition is satisfied A1, A2, A2, A3 and A1, A3. So we can say that all this belongs to R. So we can say that R is transitive. So R is transitive. So here we are having this condition, R is reflexive, R is not symmetric, but R is transitive. So from all this, option B, that is R is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric, is the correct. So we can say that the answer to this question is part B. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of relations and functions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.